Hello all, hi everybody, and welcome back to my account, Digital Champ. So in this video, I'm gonna talk briefly on a digital product and the platform you need to use to start selling a digital product. Okay, on my channel, I talk about digital product and digital marketing and how to promote, how to create, how to buy, how to resell digital product. Okay, similar like drop shipping, but the difference is you drop ship a digital product, electronic product. What I'm talking about is PDF file, a Word document, a software, things like this. Okay, so 1 second before to go ahead, you might thinking like, okay, what platform I need to use? Okay, a link in the bio. When you starting, you don't need to think all of that, because why? TikTok, Instagram, maybe Instagram now has changed, but in TikTok you cannot put a link in the bio if you have less than 1,000 followers. I believe that was right just a few months ago. I don't know if it's changed now. So what you need is you can have a link but not clickable in your bio. Okay, I'm just gonna try an example in here. Come, let's go to TikTok. So if you have less than 2,000 emails, okay, then you are good with the one with the free plan, right? So you get 3 set follows, one for landing page, one for collecting payment, one for thank you page. So it should be more than enough for the free plan, right? But here, look, you got 15 steps, okay? And then you can have unlimited blogs, you can have you have one course you can, within it you can have multiple modules, okay? Just repeating that. And limited students, so no limitation. All limitation they have, look, file storage unlimited, right? The only limitation you have is automation rules and the tax one only, because that will allow you to set you free, right? But when you start making sales and that, you can upgrade to this plan, maybe start a plan, then you can have more free, like more automation rules and more tax. Okay, email campaigns, you have one. What's the benefit of having multiple email campaigns? You can have one for sale, one for webinar, and one from Telegram newsletter, right? And so forth. And the more important thing is here, you have Coupon and all that. More important thing is custom domain. So you can have one custom domain with a free brand. So I hope this brief video what system is. I'm gonna show from inside in the next another video. Make sure you follow and like so you don't miss my